White. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the things my mom brought from Nigeria. I live in London, and recently I just gave birth to my baby boy, so my mom came visiting and she brought some lovely African goodies. Some of these things we don't have here in London, and some we have, but they're very expensive and pricey. So I'm going to show you all of the things she brought. I hope you like this video. I hope you also share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos. So on the list is the dried fish. So my mom brought about 4 bags of dried smoked fish, so you can see it. So we have about 4 bags, and she said she was going to use it to make pepper soup for me. Yeah, so the next item on my list is grind spices. So she's going to use this spice to make pepper soup. Next item is tiger nuts and dates. So let me show you the tiger nuts. So this is the tiger nuts. I kind of removed it. So this is the tiger nuts. No, sorry, this is the dates, and this is the tiger nuts. So I'm going to use this to make tiger nut drink, and I hope you guys will look forward to the video. The video is going to come up very soon, so watch out for that. Then also my mom made some chin chin. Yes, she made some chin chin for us. So my daughter loves chin chin, so I guess she's going to be eating all of this. Yeah. Also, she brought some granules, so you can see I've started eating this. So she brought 2 bottles of granules. Then also we have dried peppers. So these are a dried pepper. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like this. So let me see if I can open it so that you can see how it looks. So it's dried pepper. Yeah. I don't want to touch it because so this is how it looks. Yeah, so what you do, you just blend it into a fine powder. Yeah. Then she also blended some ground melon seeds, So this is ground melon seeds. Yeah, so she got me 2 bags of ground melon seeds. I love making egusi soup, so I told her to get lots of melon for me, so she did. So I'm going to put this in the freezer because I don't want it to spoil. Yeah. Then also she got some cola nuts. I don't know if any of you know about cola nuts. So she bought some cola nuts and bitter cola. So I don't think I'm going to be eating cola nuts or bitter cola, but let's see. Okay, also this is the ground pepper. So she ground this for me. So this is the ground pepper. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Then my mom got me shea butter. I specifically requested for her to get me lots of shea butter because I make hair butters for my daughter. I use it for her natural hair. So she got me, this should be about 1.5 kg of shea butter. So this is how it looks. So you guys should watch out for videos of how I make my daughter's hair butter for her healthy growing hair. And my husband also uses this on his skin. He loves it. So we have lots of shea butter. Then I'm going to move over to vegetables, the leaves. So we have bitter leaf. So she washed the bitter leaf, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't want to just bring it out. So this is bitter leaf. This is also bitter leaf. So we have okazi. So the, in Igbo land, okazi is used to prepare our African, not African, sorry. Okazi is used to prepare our soup, our native soup. So this is okazi. This is also bitter leaf. She did lots of bitter leaf. I don't know. Oh, dried bitter leaf. So this one contains all the leaves, dried leaves. We have the scent leaf. So this is the scent leaf. In Igbo land, it's called Nchawa. Am I right? Scent leaf Nchawa. Yeah, I'm right. So this is uziza, kind of bitter, and this is I think this is ground fish. So I think this is ground fish. I don't know what is in, but she just put ground fish. Then this is, I think, I don't know, she just put bitters. I don't know, this is all these herbal leaves. Yeah, so that is that. Okay, then this one is called oil bean. In Igbo language, it's called uba. Parts of Nigeria have a name for it, but I can't remember. But I know in my own place we call it uba. So it's called oil bean. The English name is called oil bean. So she made about 2 kg of oil bean. So I'm going to be making African salad. I'm looking forward to it. Then okay, this is okazi. Then we have ogbono. This is ogbono. So this is not ground, so this is just the ogbono seeds. So I'm going to be making delicious ogbono soup. So this is zobo leaf. For a long time I've been looking for zobo leaves. I remember going on eBay and Amazon to get zobo leaves, and you can imagine 250 grams of zobo leaves, they will tell you about 15 pounds. So she got this, oh it's torn already, but she got this zobo leaves for me. So I'm going to be making some zobo, I say some zobo. So I'm going to be making zobo drinks. Yeah, so this is zobo. This is also the zobo leaves. So I'm going to be making lots of zobo drinks, teas and all of that. And I also use it in my daughter's hair butter. So I'm going to show you how I'll be doing that. Yeah. Wow, this is much. This is also ground crayfish. So watch out for my cooking videos. Mom brought corn. I think I did a short video of the corn. I boiled it. I used my pressure cooker. So this is it. This is the real Nigerian corn. I hope you enjoyed this video. And, click on the notification button where you'll be notified of more interesting and yummy videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye. Wow.